jig work that you actually keep the jig properly earthed. If you've got a jig like this which has got a swivel on, typically speaking they don't earth very well. It's also very important when you have a Fronius, say, I-wave with the resistance. To get spatter-free welding you need that resistance correct. So, what do you do in this situation? Well, you've got a pivot here, so the earth resistance changes as you swivel it round, so you need to put another earthing point on there, and it's always very annoying because you're only needing to earth your bench. But however, there is a solution. Disconnect first this earth, put on the twin earthing point, reconnect your original earth, add an additional earthing point, which you then connect to your jig at the swivel point. Simple as that. Weld both sides, perfect results.